Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to go ahead and follow me on any of your favorite ones that you be on. Today we are going to jump into a truth or dare energy. So basically you're going to be facing a truth if you want to go ahead and resonate with this particular stone, or you're going to be facing a dare, something that you are going to challenge yourself towards doing, making action. We have the dice. We use the dice to pick a zodiac sign. So this one's for zodiacs, and then we have one that is strictly for numbers. So the numbers is the number that shows up on the dice is how many times I'll go ahead and shuffle the cards just to clear the energy from the previous reading. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. All right, so that one's Capricorn, already done. Oh my God, come on. Where are the, let's see, where's the Aquarius? Where is the Scorpio? Where is the Virgo? Did we already do Virgo? Yeah, we already did Virgo. Where's Leo? We did Leo. Come on. New energy, Spirit. Give us new energy that we have not done this particular game for. All right, so we have not done Aquarius, and we got 10 on the shuffles. So Divine, please help me to go ahead and channel a message that Aquarius should work on a truth and Aquarius should work on a dare. Go ahead and help me to channel this message through pure intentions and love. Let's go. All right, so for your dare, you have the Six of Wands. Six of Wands for your dare. Is it true, Aquarius, that you are learning to overcome challenges? Is it true, Aquarius, that you are in a moment of being victorious? Is it true that people are celebrating you? Is it true that you're moving forward into greater levels of success? Is it true that you're putting in that work to heal yourself by taking actions in order to better your mental health and your physical health? And what other things do we have from the Seven of Wands? Is it true, Aquarius, that whatever situation you're in, you're expecting to win and you know that you probably will? Is it true, Aquarius, that you have risen above any type of depression into a very clear, intoxicating reality? Is it true, Aquarius, that you could be challenged by others or opposed by others, but that you have the necessary experience and ability to emerge from those challenges victorious? Is it true, Aquarius, that you're standing up for yourself and what you believe in? Is it true, Aquarius, that you're choosing your battles wisely and that you know that you have the ability to beat the odds? That's your truth, Aquarius. That's for you to sit down, look within yourself, and ask these questions. All right, let's go ahead and move on to your dear. All right, Aquarius. So we have the Four of Wands. All right, Aquarius. So with this Four of Wands, I dare you to build something that seems solid, be it a relationship, be it a career, be it a new project that you're starting on. I dare you to put yourself in domestic events that are full of joy and eagerness and celebration. I dare you to dance, Aquarius. I dare you to dance and just be moved by the music. Just be moved by what you feel and not by any type of, don't allow yourself, I dare you to not allow yourself to be in a feeling of restrictedness. I dare you not to be defensive, Aquarius. I dare you to believe in harmony. I dare you to believe in stability and satisfaction. I dare you to work towards steady abundance. I dare you to work on productive collaborations with others. I dare you to celebrate yourself. I dare you to take a chance on romance or marriage if that is something that you're already entertaining. So yeah, that is what we have. We have the Six of Wands and the Four of Wands for you. And surprisingly, 6 plus 4 is 10, right? So there's balance all up and through here. All right, so Aquarius, that is what I have for your read today. If you liked it, if it resonated with you, go ahead and like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of your future messages and or challenges. And I will see you, Aquarius, in the next one. Bye.